Hello, it's me again.
Face.
I don't know what this girl's doing. Don't play any music in here because you're not allowed on YouTube. Any music, okay?
Okay.
Anyway, we're doing a tool review today. One tool only. Next week I'm doing some more tools. Because most of the music is copyrighted. And if you play any music, YouTube's going to find out and kill the video. Because we didn't have permission to use it. So anybody else's music, we can't play in here. That's why there's never any music playing in the background. Because if YouTube algorithm hears music, they demonetize it or they tell me I have a copyright violation and then we lose our channel. So
Then we lose all our subscribers.
yeah. So we don't want to play any music from anything, okay? Now that that's straightened out. What's the tool today? Itchy Hand. Did I buy yeah, I did buy a lot of tickets. So maybe I'll win. Oh, I may win. I doubt it. Pay my New York State taxes. What do I got for you? Guess what? What kind of tool do you think I have? Guess. Look. I have an Irwin vice grip. Why do I have another Irwin vice grip? Because unlike, where's the other one? Where is it? Where is it? Wait. Of course, hold on a second. We'll be right back. Anyway, the reason why I'm doing another vice grip thing is because, see what's missing? See the new vice grips? They're getting rid of all those little thingamabobbers. And because over here, like, because it's vice grip mania, I have this one. And I had to get its little cousin here. But because we love vice grip so much, I also have its baby cousin. It's a big cousin. I have a small one, a big one, and now we have its fancy hybrid cousin who's missing a leg. So I don't know if this is the handicap version because it's missing a leg or no. Anyway, what are we gonna do? We're gonna take baby cousin right here. See, and we're gonna go like this. This is how you get zip ties off. Ta-da! See that? Use vice grips. Vice grips are the bomb, right? See that? That's how you remove zip ties. Anyway, this vice grip is a, wait, which one is it? It's can't even see. Oh, I'm getting new glasses next week. 9-inch to 225 millimeter 9LN long reach, long nose locking pliers. In case you want to hit pause, I put it on this side because the pause button's always in the way. So anyway, after you see that, here's all the fancy like stuff that nobody could see. They are made in, where is it? Irwin lifetime warranty. Made in Chinois, U.S. and Canada only. In case you want to call them up and complain, it's 1-800-GO-IRWIN. You know what we do with this? Throw it in the garbage. So anyway, this is the new. I've actually been using these other ones because where did it go now? I've been using, I think I left it in my house. This one, oh no, is it this one? Yeah. The bigger one here. I've been using this one. And I have a smaller one somewhere. Where is it? Oh no, I have two of these. Where's the other one? Where'd it go? I can't find it. Alright, ready to go. Well, anyway, I have a non-pointed one like this, and I noticed here, maybe it's just me, but it's actually kind of cool. I mean, kind of getting used to it. I don't really like this new technology, this rubber thing covering this, but I don't know. I'm kind of getting the hang of it. It's put like this, just don't have to, and it just opens up. I don't know how. Find something to lock on. See, see, and it just comes out easy. I'll admit they do pop out a lot easier than these ones. These ones you lock them on super tight, and they just, no matter how hard you push, these ones come off pretty good compared to the previous 9LN. If you look at, let me turn this, bring this over here more, put it down. If you look at these two, this one's got more, they put beefier jaws on it. If you look at the, wait, see, they look a little, hold on, let me put this closed here. These ones Oh, look, see? Yeah, good old Chinese made, see? Oh, look. Irwin. You're getting sloppy. See this? Close this. Lines right up. This one lines up good. Good old Chinesium. See? Oh, they're both a little bit sloppy. But anyway, if you look at it, the one on this side, the jaws are a little rounded in here. These ones are a little straight. These are the Irwin vice grips, the ones that are made who knows where. I don't know, probably in Cambodia, for all we know. They got, I don't know, a couple more rivets. Pretty much same thing. They kept the same knurling on it, but they put the little holy woolly in the back there. So you can use an Allen wrench and basically it'll probably pry off. What else? Pretty much it. The older ones I find have a better, I don't know, they have a more like chromey feel. These ones have the I don't know what do you call that, surface texture, but they don't have the same finish. They're not the same nice shiny. These are all dull, whatever. Even like these ones, see, it's a little baby cousin here, has the same finish. I don't know what kind of cheap Chinesium finish they're doing, but other than that, not bad. So I have like one of these. This one's stupid large compared to this one right here. Let me put this down more a little. See, there's a giant one here, and I have another one. Okay. I have another one. Where'd it go? Is it on the bench here somewhere? Oh, where did you go? Where did you go? Might be at home. Hold on. Let me check. Let me check.
Hey.
Lost it. This sucks. Where's feet? Anyway, I did buy a small one. I don't know where it went. I don't know, but I have a smaller one, the non-pointy one. So I have one of these. I got 2 or 3 of these now because I always buy 4 of each. That's my goal, and that's pretty much it. I think they're good quality. I mean, other than the fact that the front don't line up, they I'll probably have to give this a beat down with a hammer to get it to stay. But it should not, Irwin, that should not come out of the factory like this. Look, if you open and close it, it should line up. That is not. See, open, close. That's a newer one. See, look, open, close. That one lines up. Look, this one. This one's probably a little bit off. Open, close. That one's got a little more. Yeah, that one's right on. See? Watch this one. Older one. Open, close. Pretty accurate there. This one, open, close. That one's a little bit off. See? But this one is totally damn ridiculous. I literally have to push it over. I will honestly say the quality of it's okay, but the fact that this happens, I expect this out of a cheap brand. So, other than that, I will probably go to where I purchased this, buy a new one, and go back in and go, dude, this thing's like look at this. This thing is poorly aligned. And go return it. So yeah, it's got too much on one side. Anyway, that's my review. I mean, I can't complain about the build because I mean, I've seen what probably maybe 50 different models of vice grips. They're all made the same nowadays. I mean, I've only seen a couple of old, like really old Mastercrafts that really sucked. If you're buying any cheap brand ones, they're all the same. I think whoever invented the Irwin, I think it was the Peterson, whoever invented this style of locking plier, most other companies when the patent expired and copied it, got it down pretty good. They figured out what size steel, how many bolts and pins in it, and yeah, it's done. So, what's my thoughts on this? If you get one that has a straight end, they're pretty good. Do you need them? Will you ever use them? I use these once in a while. Honestly, if you want to strip the shit out of things, use one of these. If you want to get a really good pinch on it and get impressions in the metal or whatever in there, use this. They're not really good for, I mean, if you're doing metal work, you want to get something cleaner, but most vice grips, whether these ones or these ones, if you're not worried about the bolt, it'll just shred it. I've used them for, I mostly use these for like clamps when I'm welding. You need 50 pairs of vice grips to hold stuff down. It's great. Want to stop from marring, put something between, or trying to get off old bolts, destroying shape, just take it apart. Other than that, I've always liked vice grips. I'll admit the Chinese ones are getting a little crappy, and so, but other than that, they're okay. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and would I buy another one? Yeah, I'm gonna buy 3 more actually. Make sure I got 4 of these. Make sure I got 4
You
of
don't
these.
see this when you're sleeping.
What's that? What is it? Awesome. Yeah, awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to laugh. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends we do. I'm Mr. Vice Grip. See? Look, see? Okay, Kaya. And the magic wand. Ta-da! Say goodbye. Ta-ching!